This is a delicious chocolate mousse, equal part avocado, coconut cream. Don't buy any of that fat-free coconut stuff. You need the fat. The fat is good. And then we're putting in some
cocoa powder. Little splash of vanilla.
Little splash of vanilla. The juice of half an orange.
A little sprinkle of cinnamon.
And a little sprinkle of cinnamon. And yeah. I really like orange. I really, really like orange.
Extra vitamin C in that one.
I'm a Greek boy. And then you whip this.
Honey?
Yeah, a little bit of acacia honey. So I use a raw honey. You know, it just works better for me and it's delicious. And you just whip this up and I'm gonna do it with my mind. And so when you whip it up, doesn't matter, Rach, we don't work.
Did you come in here like,
Oh, you're blaming it on me, the sabotage? I sabotaged myself.
Mike was locking and unlocking the bowl rather than turning on the power.
No one ever called me bright. I'm just here to fix your inflammation. So you whip it, it comes smooth. I like to finish mine with a little bit of crunchy salt.
Sea salt, yum.
And here, I want you to taste this. And I think you're just gonna be so happy because...
It really is delicious.
You know, again, I can't eat processed sugar, so the honey does the trick, and it hits that sweet note for me.
And it's not too sweet.
No, I have a mac and cheese going with 0 dairy in it.
So what is it?
So what do you have there, Simon?
Well, is it nut-based? Yeah, I see. It's cashew milk.
So we have cashew milk. We're gonna, you know, because Liz was a vegan for a long time and now is just a vegetarian, I'm gonna make some Parmesan over there without dairy. And then we're also gonna make a roux. And a lot of people suffer from flour, so we're making the roux with flour that has not been bromated. What I realized is, for me, when I drank regular flour that was bleached and enriched and bromated, bad things to my body. If I drink flour that hasn't been bleached, enriched, and bromated, I am fine. So you just gotta buy a slightly better flour. I made a roux with good flour.
This is the fancy flour with cashew milk.
Oat milk, and olive oil, no butter.
Olive oil.
And you could use...
My favorite.
You could use oat milk, cashew milk, any kind of milk you want to substitute it for.
And then it thickens like this?
It thickens up. I have some roasted zucchini and squash. And if you totally couldn't do flour, you could use rice flour, and then you eliminate the gluten too.
Sure.
I'm gonna put in a little bit of flat leaf parsley. I'm gonna give this a stir. Yeah, if you could just...
And some garlic in there?
Yeah, you could... Why not?
Well, it's sitting on the counter. I'm just assuming.
Well, that's the beautiful thing about this stuff like this. You get the sauce down. You could add any veggies you want. And then we have a little bit of rigatoni that we cooked. And look at this is a beautiful, like, mac and cheese pasta that just works. So... For the Parmesan, I have cashews, I have nutritional yeast.
It's nutritional yeast, right?
And a little bit of garlic powder. And we just buzz this up till it's smooth, and you could taste it. I want you to taste it, because when Liz made me taste it, I was like, okay, you win. You're smarter than me. It's delicious.
It's delicious.
And it gives you a little bit of that cheese and taste.
You want this in here?
Yep. And so you get this beautiful, creamy, delightful mac and cheese. And so, again, you're not feeling like you've missed anything.
Okay, but let's not be cheap with the fake cheese.
All right, well, you know.